Let's talk about pipeline design. Can you explain what middleware is in .NET and how you've used custom middleware in any of your projects?
Definitely. Middleware is a key concept in .NET. It's like a series of components that process every incoming HTTP request and response, one after the other, in a pipeline. Each middleware can do something useful like logging, authentication, or error handling, then either pass the request to the next component or stop it and return a response. Let me give you an example from a real logistics tracking system I worked on. We had a requirement to log every API request across the application, without writing repetitive code in every controller. So, we created a custom middleware just for logging. In this middleware, we tracked three things: the HTTP method and endpoint path, like GET or POST, and the root. The user's ID, which we read from the JWT token claims. And the time it took to process the request. To calculate timing, we used a stopwatch. We started the timer before calling the next middleware, then stopped it afterward and logged the difference. So in plain terms, it was: start the stopwatch, right pointing arrow, let the request run, right pointing arrow, stop the stopwatch, right pointing arrow, log the time. This helped us spot slow endpoints easily, without touching any controller code. We added this middleware to the pipeline in the program.cs file, right after authentication, using the line, use middleware of type logging middleware. This ensured our logger would catch every authenticated request. We also created another custom middleware for exception handling. Instead of using try-catch in every controller, we caught all unhandled exceptions globally. This middleware logged the exception details, then returned a friendly JSON response, with a proper status code and a simple message like, "Something went wrong. Please try again." So users never saw raw stack traces, and our logs still captured what actually failed. To summarize, middleware in .NET allows us to cleanly separate concerns, like logging, exception handling, authentication, and performance tracking. And in our logistics project, writing custom middleware gave us a central place to monitor traffic and handle errors, without bloating the controller logic.